And then you're gonna put this in here. Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna grab this little thing.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna put this in here.
Okay, got it.
Okay. You're gonna grab these from the pharmacy. Okay. He gave you a script for it.
Okay.
You're just gonna open it up. Put the liquid in here. And then close it back up.
Mm-hmm.
And you put this in there.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the second piece of the mouth.
Okay.
Put it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Grab it, Papa. Grab it. Hold it to your... Yeah, there you go. You're just gonna breathe in and breathe out, okay?